Hi guys and girls, I'm just going to do a little demonstration today of using a drill brush on really filthy seats. This was a van that came in, it was a plumber's van, and the seats were covered in like flux and things like that, stuff that plumbers use, really sticky stuff, and it's horrible to get out. Got to give them a real good scrub. So as you can see, the attachment just goes on the end of the drill. It's just like a big round brush really. Now, I tend to only use it on van seats that have maybe been neglected because it is a really aggressive way of scrubbing your seats. The reason I only tend to use it on sort of neglected things is it's a last resort. Doing it, scrubbing your seats this hard or this fast, I've found that it can cause bobbling on the surface of the seats. So I try and avoid using it unless it's sort of a really last minute resort, as I say. But the case with this van was it's going to auction, the seats needed to be clean no matter what. Luckily enough, there wasn't any bobbling with this fabric. It's quite a hard wearing fabric, so it took it in its stride. After scrubbing, you just extract it with your wet vac as normal. Just take your time and get as much of the leftover liquid out as you can. This is a pneumatic wet vac that I use. Now it is actually, people seem to think it's just a shop vac with a nozzle on the end. It's not, it's actually a wet and dry vacuum cleaner. I've just removed the nozzle from it. Reason being, I like to apply the shampoo with a spray bottle. Two reasons really. I can direct it where I want a lot easier with the spray bottle. I can vary the amount of liquid that goes on a lot better as well. With a machine, it's either on or off. There's only one setting for how much liquid comes out. With a spray nozzle, I can turn it up or down, or lower pressure, higher pressure sort of thing. I can also adjust the fan that comes out as well. So I can have it like a jet coming out, or I can have it like a mist if I'm just want to do a wee patch. So it doesn't take that long really. Get it all sort of clean, get as much of that excess fluid out as you can, and it's looking a lot cleaner already. If you look at the left hand side of the seat, it's much better. I'm quite happy with that one. Well, I'm quite happy with that. This side's nice and clean. You can see compared to that side it's a lot better, and that's just with like a single quick once over. I'll put a wee link in the description. It is an affiliate link, so if you buy it for me you'll be supporting the channel as well. Thanks very much for watching guys and girls. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Catch you.